In this section of the video course, we're going to talk about the non-surgical options for preventing hair loss. Now, what I wanted to do first before breaking each of them down is provide you a ranking of what I think is the most powerful in my opinion. Number one is going to be Finasteride. This is a pill you take every day, and if you check out one of the videos below, I have some secrets on how to minimize the cost of what this can be for you. Second is going to be Rogaine. It's also been around for a long time. Everyone knows about it. And if you check out the video below, I have a little secret for women out there using it. Coming in at third is a new therapy called PRP injections. We have a separate video on this since it's so new, and we're also going to tell you how to not get scammed by some of the PRP people out there. At fourth, we have vitamins. The key vitamin is going to be biotin. There's a lot of formulations on it, and in the video below, I'm going to tell you a little bit about which ones to buy and which to avoid. Next, you have a combination of different things that are out there. The FDA doesn't really regulate devices and medications for hair loss. So the devices out there are going to be anything from low-level laser light therapy, which is a little hat that you've probably seen in the magazine on your flight. There's something called a derma roller, which is these little, it's a little roller with little needles on the end of it that can help stimulate hair growth. And then there's the shampoos that everyone jumps to first, whether it's Nioxin or Bosley or simply your over-the-counter basic shampoo. The keys to the shampoo are going to be finding something that really works for you and something with a little medication called ketoconazole, and I'll explain to you a little bit about that. Check out the videos below.